Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn this song that's all over TikTok. Really catchy too, so let's get right into the chords. First chord that we're going to use is the E minor 7. Okay. To an A. To a D major 7. We're also going to use B7. Alright, so E minor 7, A, D major 7, and D7. Now if the bar chords are a little hard for you, you can always go and do the opening chords. You can do E minor to A, then D major 7 this way, but then the D7. It's probably the only harder one. So. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the bar chords. So here's an example of the strum pattern, and then we'll go right into learning it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys see the chord progression up there. First line is E minor 7, A, D major 7, D major 7. And then on the second one it ends with the D7. So let's go with the strum pattern. Strum pattern is down, down, down on the first one. So, okay. And those are little short little mutes in the first two. So. And you can let it ring out. So then you go to A. Now A goes up, up, down. So up, up, down. Really quick on the mutes. D major 7 is the same as the first one. Down, down, down. And then again, but this one is on the up. So. Alright, so basically the same strum pattern, starting with the E minor 7 on the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. B7 goes up, up, and so So that is the chords and the strum patterns for this song. Once you guys get it down, you guys can start playing it with the actual song. But if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and check out my other videos. I'm going to have the ukulele tutorial on this one. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.